Greetings and welcome to week 2 of The Leader as a Relationship Builder. Hope you enjoyed the first week. And this week we're going to be covering 2 chapters instead of 1. We're going to look at leadership communication, which is just vitally important. And we have a guest lecturer this week, and it's Dr. Renee Dower. And if you guys are not familiar with her, she is in the Hendersonville office, but is here in Jackson, Tennessee, at least one day a week. And she's a dean of the School of Adult and Professional Studies. And Dr. Dower holds degrees in communication and then her doctorate from here at Union University. So she's worked out in industry and worked in this area and just does a tremendous job. And I think you guys will really enjoy her lecture this week and just the expertise that she brings to this area. We'll also be covering teams, and goodness gracious, what we're dealing with today and teams, and it's not just teams that we were accustomed to, or not we, me, and some of you in the class, pre-pandemic of dealing with normal teams. I'll call them normal till we got to virtual, and gosh, it's created all sorts of chaos with, and really has been one of the things that has upended our industry. And it's been a disruptor in the last few years of how we've dealt with teams and personally dealing with them and then dealing with them virtually. So we'll cover that in chapter 10. And then our discussion post this week is handling conflict. Always a touchy subject when we talk about conflict and how we deal with it. You will have a couple quizzes that you'll go through. So those are 10 points apiece, very non-threatening. And remember, those are open book and open notes. So don't stress over those. But if you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me, lpowell@uu.edu. You can give me a call, 731-661-5163. And then at the bottom, if you email me, or I've got a link too that I can send you guys. If you ever want to set up a virtual meeting, I know a couple of you in the class have done that. That's at the bottom of my signature line, and you can do that through Calendly. You can just log in and find a time convenient for you, and then we can have a Zoom meeting, a telephone call, really whatever works for you. You guys have a great one, and I hope you enjoy this week's material.